Hey, Scott Davis here. I'm a realtor with 10 Oaks Real Estate in Tennessee. Today I'm hosting an open house at 521 Fenhorse Lane in the coveted neighborhood of Ladd Park in Franklin. If you're looking for a spacious 5-bedroom property just minutes from Nashville, this place has a lot to offer. Let's go check it out. If you'd like to see this or any other property in the Nashville surrounding area, my email is below. Please reach out. I would love to help. Thanks for watching and have a great day.